Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into a super exciting new feature in Premiere Pro Beta version. It's called Automatic Caption Translation. If you simply want to reach a global audience, this feature is a total game changer. I will walk you through how to enable it, translate captions automatically, and tweak them for the best results. So let's see it in action. But before we start, make sure you're using Adobe Premiere Pro Beta version, this one. So now you can create or import your project. I've already created one, so I'm just opening it. So this is the project I have, and this caption is already here one. Let's see how you can translate it. For that, you can click on these three dots, and here you can see the new option, Translate Captions. So let's click on this, and there is a new window here. As you can see, the very first option we have, choose the source language. You can also auto detect. I'll click on this and select English. And then we have target language. Here you can choose not just one, multiple languages at once. You can see we have lots of options. I'll choose this German, Japanese, Portuguese. And below also we have option advanced. Here you can choose the max length and duration. I'll leave it as is by default. I'll click on translate. It will take some time here, as you can see, and it has created three tracks, as you can see here. So first is Portuguese, then Japanese, then German. So already created. So let's see. So now if you click on this one, this is the German. Then we have Japanese. So to edit this, you can click here on this edit active text, as you can see, and you can make changes if you want. Our tips for better translation: make sure your original captions are as clear and accurate as possible. The translation will be based on the quality of your initial captions. If you're working in a niche language, you might want to manually adjust some phrases to ensure that translation captures the meaning. And that's it. Adobe Premiere's new automatic caption translation feature is such a powerful tool for video creators looking to expand their reach. Whether you are making content for international audience, or this feature will save you so much time. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on the latest features in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in next one.